friends, thanks for coming by. It's Kelly, and we've had just the craziest heat wave in Alberta this week. And so this week, card 5 is a fan. And just to show folks who are new to Silhouette Studio, when you open the cut file in Silhouette Studio, it comes grouped. So you can either use your toolbar or a drop-down menu to ungroup it and just divide the pieces so you can cut them from different colors. And I actually cut 2 of each, one piece of white cardstock and one piece of pattern paper, because I plan to do some stitching. And so I've gone ahead and done that. I have a piece of cardstock for the back of each piece of pattern paper. I've added stitching where I've wanted it and done some sewing on my sewing machine. Add some dimension. I've placed some foam tape I get at scrapbook.com on the back of the fan and the fan blades, and then on the fan blade cover as well. And I'll leave a link in the description box. So you just fit the pieces together. They are quite easy to see how they fit, and that gives it some nice dimension. So in this freeze frame, I'm pointing to where you line up the edge of the card base with the edge of the fan cover. Easy to see actually, but I wanted to point that out. I'm going to be placing my title on the fan cover and going horizontal across the page. So I made sure that lined up. I'm going to stick a cool snail wearing funky sunglasses down there. He stayed cool, but we didn't. It was just crazy hot. I'm just adding a few fussy cut flowers that I took from the fan blade paper, because they're sort of look like they're flying away from the fan. And the thickers are from the Heidi Swapp Fresh collection. I chose them because they blended in quite well. They're not a big standout, and that's what I was looking for. I wanted a title, but I didn't want it to distract from my fan cut file. And they're the perfect colors. You might have noticed earlier in the center of the fan cover, I used the flower cut file that you received last week with the flip-flops. I had an extra one. I thought it looked cute there, so I went ahead and used it again. You might use a piece of ephemera that you have in a collection you're using, or maybe even a button. That would look cute. Just check your drawers, see what you have, make it your own. So my thickers are following the blade cover. It's kind of a swoopy, swirly looking title. I kind of like that too. It's been lots of fun stash busting for this project. I have quite a lot, as I'm sure you do, tucked in my closets, and some of it's just so cute. It's a shame that it hasn't seen daylight in a while. These are actually a new item. They're from Pinkfresh. Their gems come in several colors. I got them at scrapbook.com, and I'll leave a link in my description box. They're just a pretty alternative to sequins, which I love to use too. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you're making the Memorydex box and the cards, please tag me in Instagram. I'd love to share your projects in my stories and cheer you on. I hope you're having fun. We're halfway through. This was the 5th card, 5 to go, and here comes some close-ups. Any questions can be left down below, and likes and subscribes are appreciated. Here's some close-ups coming at ya. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.